Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with our writing sections, that's the letter writing. During that very discussion, I have already provided you a lot of informations, ideas and guidelines related with that very topic. Now I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problems related with letter writing. That's why today I think to select a problem along with its solution as well as few other problems for you. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously watch my today's video. Now, example first along with its solution for your support. First question for you like, imagine you are Rashmi or Rajesh. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily in about 100 to 120 words, expressing your views on the topic saving the beauty of nature is in the hands of even the common man. Now, my dear students, I try my best to provide you an exact solution for that very question. So, first of all, we have to start regarding its first step like sender's address. As Rashmi or Rajesh, Ashok Nagar, Kankabag, Patna 20. Just after finishing its first step, we have to think about its second step like date as 1st May 2020. Now its third stage like receiver's address as the editor, Times of India, Patna 20. Now, subject regarding the question like saving the beauty of nature. Now, just after then, we have to start its next step like salutation as sir. Each of us likes to enjoy the beauty of nature, yet few of us try to save it. Through the esteemed columns of your newspaper, I would like to make a few suggestions about how each of us can do that. We often go to public parks of recreation. The green grass and beautiful flowers refresh our body and mind. While people sit there on the grass, sometimes they take their food and snacks with them. When they leave the place, they leave behind polythene pieces and broken food. The polythene endangers the grass while the broken food attacks insects and even dogs. If we take care and take away our broken food and polythene bag, away from the place, we can help to save the beauty of nature. At its last stage, as conclusion, we can also help save nature if we grow some plants in our neighborhood. They will not only look beautiful but also protect the environment. Now its last step, like the subscription. With regards, yours truly, Rashmi or Rajesh. Now, my dear students, just after providing a problem along with its solution, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out a problem related with writing section like the letter to editor. So you have to focus and try your best to sort out these two problems. First one, like the tourism industry in India can be a great source of economic help for country. Now write a letter to the editor of a national daily in about 100 to 120 words, expressing your views on the topic like economic impact of tourism. Now, the next problem for you, like in about 100 to 120 words, write a letter to the editor of the Daily Express, expressing your views on the subject. Pollution is poisoning our environment in every form, as noise, heat and light. It is harmful for every living organism on the earth. Now, I am sure that you would succeed to sort out these two problems correctly. Next topic we have to start next day. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.